Today in Excel tutorial video we are going to practice on the index match function with example. Top 5 example we understand how does work the index match function in Excel. Okay, so let's understand the first data. Here we have the data as the ID, name column, okay, department, location, and salary. This data created by the ChatGPT for our practice. Let's understand the index match function. So index match is a powerful alternate of the VLOOKUP, and VLOOKUP alternate XLOOKUP. Okay, so it is a combination of the two functions, index and match. Index is basically the return value from a table a range based on row and column number. Okay, so and match obviously is the return the position row number of the value inside a range. So basically match is position. Okay, and index like the we are the reading the book, so first page here you can say the index. So particular page, if you want to the 30 page 31 page, so directly you can explore. Okay, so you can find the bit through the index. Same thing in Excel, but we need to understand the how does work the index match function together in Excel. So so basically the we first find the row number using the match, then get the value using index. Simple word. Okay. So why use the index match instead of the VLOOKUP? Okay. So you have the question. So can the lookup left side value? VLOOKUP can't. Works faster on the large data. Okay, and doesn't break if column are inserted or deleted. This is the top three reason we are using the index match. Okay, so we can use the left side value, work faster than the larger data, and never break the if column in the inside you delete it. Okay, so this is the top three. So let's understand the big example. Suppose the first example is the let's find the salary of the person. So here person name is any you can take the like the Priya Rohit. So let's take the name. So equal here the index function we use. Select this index function array. Array we need to index is simply we want our answer through the index. So what we want salary of employee. So employee is take the Priya. Okay. So here we select the salary because we want to know the salary of Priya. So simply select this salary column. Control shift down arrow you can use. Okay, and for back control backspace comma. Okay, so this is the our index. Index is simple mean I want this result. Okay, here but for result what we need to find the position of the employee. So here we use match function. Lookup value. So lookup value is double quotation Priya, double quotation comma, and where is Priya? Priya in this column. Control shift down arrow. Okay. Here comma 0 for exact match and 2 times parenthesis and hit enter. 2 times parenthesis because the here two functions index and match. Okay, so here you can see the result Priya HR 42,000 and result is here. Index simple mean index is written. Index is written. Result what you you can say. Return and match function is help to position of your column, your row data. Okay, let's understand the next example is the department. Let's find the department by the employee name. So again we use the index and I want the employee name. Okay, employee name. So select this first name column. Control shift down arrow, comma, and here we use match function. Simple. Lookup value. What department? So I want to department. Which department? I want HR. Simple. HR. Double quotation. Comma. Where is HR? Lookup array. Here you can see lookup array. Select this. Sorry, department. Control shift down arrow. Comma 0 to turn parentheses and hit enter. And here we can see the area. Got it? So we find the first HR department employee name. Okay. So this is way to know how we can find. Let's understand the two conditions with two conditions. Okay. So two-way lookup how we can use. So let's find the salary of IT in Udaipur. Yeah, you can say your question is what is the salary of the IT employee in Udaipur? Okay, so again we use equal index function return. I want to return what? I want return salary. Simple. Control shift down arrow, comma. Here we use match function. Match function here the use first because we have the two conditions and the match and one is help to find the true value. Okay, connect. Okay, so type first comma and now the lookup array. So one by one we take. So we have the two. So criteria first criteria we take the department. Control shift down arrow equal and IT, double quotation, type IT, double quotation, close parentheses, and here we use asterisk sign, again open the bracket, and second condition our location. Select this location, select this, control shift down arrow, equal double quotation type Udaipur, double quotation, close parenthesis, comma, 0, two times parenthesis, and hit enter. And you get your answer. Here we use the two conditions. Here you can see it in formula bar, location and department. So best two criteria, our two criteria, department and Udaipur best, we find the salary of employee. Got it? So this is the third practice. Next, who earned 55,000. How we can find in this data? Equal, here we use index. So who earned 55,000? So basically who earned? Obviously the employee name. So select the name column where is control shift down arrow. Okay, comma. Here we use match function and match function is our the 55,000. Okay, comma and lookup array where this is control shift down arrow, comma 0 two times parenthesis and hit enter, and here you can see the answer is Aman. Is it right? So here we can check the where is the Aman. Yeah. Okay, here this is the Aman and 50 times 1000. Got it? And next and last, the question is the what is the Department of Employee with ID 25? Department, we need to find the department. Okay, so select the cell equal index. Index equal to return. Okay, so select this simply department name, control shift down arrow, comma, use match function, and what we are trying to find 25 ID. Okay, comma, and where is the 25 in ID? So here, control shift down arrow, comma, 0 2 times parentheses, and hit enter, and here your answer is ID. And 25 here, where is 25 and ID? That's it. Okay, so what was our question? What is the Department of Employee with ID 25? So this is your answer. So simple word you can understand. Index is written and match is position. So it's helps together the right result. Okay, so you will get the correct answer. So if you are still confused, so let me the your query in comment box. And this is the basic. And I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Stay tuned. See you next video.